we never stop innovating. We push the boundaries and strive to be better. We bring you tomorrow's robots today. D-Bot X1 Omni, the brand new all-in-one D-Bot from Ecovacs. Okay, Eco, let's get to know my home.
Okay, I am coming. I am creating the map for your home now.
The Pioneer IV3D enhanced recognition capability, equipped with supercomputing power, achieving accurate obstacle avoidance at home.
Mapping is complete. Please check the app. I will keep learning and improving by updating obstacle avoidance data. More efficient every time.
Okay, Eco, follow my voice.
No problem. I will start cleaning now.
The exclusive 4-stage deep cleaning system with 5,000 paw suction power. The second generation of Osmo Turbo technology. Scrub away tough coffee stains, even after 72 hours. Unleash the ultimate cleaning power. A masterpiece perfectly crafted by Jacob Jensen Design. The all-in-one Omni Station can automatically refill water, wash and dry mop cloths, and empty the dust bin.
The D-Bot automatically refills its water tank. Start cleaning mopping pads. Start emptying the dustbin.
D-Bot X1 Omni. Finally, a truly hands-free cleaning experience.
You can wake up the machine and start issuing voice commands.
Okay, Yuko.
I'm here.
Return to the station.
Okay.
When cleaning for the first time, you can quickly generate a map using the voice command.
Okay, Yuko.
I'm here.
Start quick mapping.
Okay, start quick mapping.
You can also use voice commands to turn on whole room cleaning.
Okay, Yuko.
I'm here.
Start cleaning.
Okay, start cleaning.
Use the room type set in the app to clean specific areas.
Okay, Yuko.
I'm here.
Vacuum the living room.
Okay.
You can also have D-Bot clean near or underneath specific furniture when there are no obstacles between you. D-Bot will also be directed to you by sound localization and clean according to your commands.
Okay, Yuko.
I'm here.
Follow my voice.
Okay.
You can use voice commands to tell Dbot to start cleaning. Pause. Set the suction power, audio volume, check the status of the machine and supplies, and request other useful information. You can also tap the icon on the app's home screen to view an introduction to Yeeko Voice Assistant and unlock even more Yeeko voice skills. Whether it's just for cleaning or more personalized settings, simply use the voice command. OK Yeeko. Thanks for watching. For more information, tap the Help section of the app settings.